Hey everyone, in this video I will be showing you how to set up and run your first CSharp program in Visual Studio Code. So for this, first we need to download and install dotnet SDK, and after that I will show you to install Visual Studio Code, and finally we can set it up and run the CSharp program. So let's get started. Just Google dotnet download. We'll be having the official link. Click it. And here we will be having the latest version of .NET. If you want to download the older versions, below that we'll be having the .NET 10 and all versions. Here we'll be having the older version of 10, and here we'll be having the previous older versions. I'm fine with the latest version, so I will just click it. And the size is around 206 MB in size, so just be patient. Once the download is complete, just open it. And we'll be getting the installer. Click on install, and once it is done, click on close. Now to check it, just go to command prompt and just type this .NET -- version, and we'll be getting the .NET version now. First thing, just Google VS Code. We'll be having the official link from code.visualstudio.com. Just click it. And here we are having the download for Windows option. Select this, and the download will be getting started. It is around 119 MB in size, so just be patient till then. Once the download is complete, just open it, and we'll be getting the setup. Just click on I accept the agreement and click on next. And this is going to be the default location where Visual Studio Code is going to get installed. If you don't have space in your local disk C, just change this to local disk D or E. So once you're done fixing the location, just click on next, and this is fine. Next. And here is an important thing. Make sure that you are checking all these checkboxes, okay? This will be super useful in case if you are directly going to open a file or folder by right clicking on it. Okay, so just click on next. And these are the stuff that's going to happen now. Click on install. So once everything is done, just check launch VS Code and click on finish. Now in Visual Studio Code, to the left we'll be having this extensions. Select this, and here just search for CSharp, and we'll be having the CSharp dev kit, and this is the official one from Microsoft itself. We can simply install it. So these two extensions will be installed. Now if I go back to the Explorer, here as you can see I'm having an option called as create .NET project. So every time after you open Visual Studio Code, go to file and just click on close folder. Okay, so in case if you're having a different folder opened, just select close folder, you will have that option. And then if you go to Explorer, right, you'll be having this create .NET project. So just click here. And these are the types of project that we can create easily. It will give us the boilerplate code for that. So in this case, I'm just going with a simple one, just a console app. If you want to try it out, you can try any of these depending upon your use case. I will just select it. It will ask us to create a folder for this project. So let me just go here and have it as CSharp. Something like this. Select it, select folder, and this is fine. Name of the project, I will just hit enter. Select the solution file format. You can choose your own wish. I will just select this, and yep, I will just click on create project. If you want to see all the template options, you can. I'm fine with the default one at this moment. So here we are having the code for our project, the main CSharp script file. So let me see if this works. So I'll just make some changes like this. So to run this, here we are having the run button. Just click it, and it will take some time to build. And as you can see, we have got the output over here. That's the video, guys. Do check the playlist of my channel. Run a lot of videos in programming and AI tools. Subscribe me. Thanks for watching.